Alright, for today's session, we shall be dealing with the last topic 17 on fundamentals of business process outsourcing 2, or the client presentation development and the introduction and briefing on individual assignment. This is your presenter, Ryan Marquez Martin from Biles 4B. So start from this topic, we will be dealing on an introduction. The BPO industry plays a vital role in the global economy. BPO industry has something to do with the economic growth of the Philippines, because BPO, we all know that the BPO are one of the important aspects when it comes to industry in this in the Philippines, because they are contributing a large contribution in the economic growth. They said that if you are in the BPO industry, you have to embody the strong communication on presentation skills, because during this kind of presentation and in BPO industry, while communicating with your clients, are very important for if you have effective communication skills. And your presentation skills are very crucial also to provide valuable to your clients. So next we have the learning objectives. This presentation only explores on fundamentals of business process outsourcing, or what we call BPO, that focuses on the client presentation development and delivery, alongside an introduction and briefing on individual assignments. All right. So introduction to BPO. The definition of BPO is the business process outsourcing that involves the practice of contracting third-party service providers to handle non-core business functions, that allowing companies to focus on their primary objectives. There are types of BPO. BPO can be categorized into functions such as IT services, customer services, human resources, and finance. Each type serves distinct business needs and operational efficiencies. There are also benefits of BPO. Outsourcing can lead to cost savings, improve efficiency, access to global talent, enhance service quality, and ability to focus on core business strategies. So first, objectives of the client presentation development. The importance of presentations have an effective client presentations are crucial for communication, value propositions, building trust, and securing business deals. A well-structured presentation can enhance client engagement. One of the very crucial or important when it comes to these presentations towards to your client or someone that you are going to have the presentation, it's very important you know how to communicate with them. You know how to gain their trust, to trust your company or your industry. And a very well structured presentation can also enhance your ability as a presenters. There are also components of a successful presentation. These are the key elements: include clear objectives, well-researched content, engaging visuals, and compelling narrative, and resonates with the audience needs and expectations. It's very important also that you have a clear objectives before presenting your presentation, because with clear objectives, they will have an idea at the very start of your presentations. A well-researched content, also your content is very important in your presentation, so you have to bear in mind that the presentation should research based. Engaging visuals, do your creativity when it comes to your PowerPoint presentation, if you are going to have your PowerPoint presentation also. And for compelling narrative that resonates with the audience needs and expectations. Preparation and practice through preparation of combined with rehearsal ensures that presenters convey confidence. Right, before your presentation, you could be able to rehearse first before going through with your presentation. Or even of course, for 10 minutes, you could be able to grasp more for your presentation and rehearse And you should also embody your confidence, because confidence, if you are presenters, you are required to have confidence, or you should embody that, because that's important, the confidence itself. Handle questions effectively. Right after your presentations, you should bear in your mind that it's usually happenings for the Q&A. You cannot be able to avoid that, because some of your audience will not understand the whole content of your presentations. And adapt client feedback, whether it is good or bad. The important thing is you could be able to embrace the feedbacks of your clients during your presentation. Next, we have the delivery techniques. When it comes to delivery techniques, there are engagement strategies using storytelling that related to the topic. You can able to do that for not be able to not to your presentation will not be so plain or boring. Your audience interaction, number one, and dynamic visuals. And keep the audience engaged and make complex information and more digestible. When it comes to more digestible, when we say more digestible, the information should be the audience should be able to more understand the content easily. Body language, what I'm doing now is the body language and voice modulation while presenting your topic, or a certain topic that you will be able to present. Is you don't have to have a loud voice that makes your audience bothered. So for instance, this is the voice modulation, what I'm doing now, and the body language itself. So that's very important. Your posture, your eye contact with your audience, your vocal tones that can enhance the message delivery. It can the audience will be able to understand your delivery, because deliberations, because of this helps of the body language and the voice modulation. Alright, so handling Q&A sessions. Preparing for potential questions demonstrates your expertise on your presentation. It's very important that you know the whole content of your topic, because for at the end of the day, if they will be able to throw you the questions, you could be able to address it right away. Active listening also is one of the important thing while building your rapport. Next, overview of individual assignments. Assignment objectives. Each individual assignment aims to reinforce the BPO concepts through practical application, enhancing understanding skills in client presentation development. It is expected deliverables. Participants will develop a comprehensive presentation based on a given case study, focusing on tailoring content to meet client-specific needs and expectations. Feedback and improvement. Constructive feedback will be provided to assess clarity, effectiveness, and overall presentation skills, allowing room for improvement in future assignments. Constructive criticism or the feedback will help you to become to improve more when it comes to presenting your thoughts or your topic. Right? Conclusion, for the recap of the BPO fundamentals, it is a solid understanding of BPO is essential for businesses seeking operational efficiency and competitive advantage in their respective industries. The integration of presentation skills, the mastery of your presentation skills is vital for effective conveying BPO solutions for clients, ultimately facilitating better business outcomes. Future implications, as a business increasingly adopt BPO strategies, the ability to communicate value propositions effectively will remain a crucial skill for professionals in this field. Alright. QA questions. Encouraging questions. This section invites participants to ask questions about BPO and presentation techniques, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Clarifying doubts, addressing specific concerns regarding the assignment or presentation approach will help participants feel more prepared and confident sharing insights. Encouraging participants to share their own experiences or challenges faced when developing client presentation can enrich the discussion and provide diverse perspectives. And that's for the topic 17. Thank you so much for listening.